Right, I think the route is about 3 kilometers. Not too far. Hopefully you can see that on the GoPro. But we've got an hour left, it says, of walking. But if we're running, we should like half that at least. So 3 miles left. Just right through the countryside. And it's a nice day. Oh, hill. Oh, there it is. Just over there. Wow, this is like, it's like a river. This ain't it, Chief. This ain't it. This is as good as it's gonna get. I ain't going out there in that murky water. Have a look, guys. Have a look. Motherfucker. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, it's the worst pain in the world, that. What a place. £5 for 4 hours. Crazy. Wow, so quiet. Look at that, smooth as anything. Shout out to Harry's for sponsoring today's video then. So this is the razor. It's rubber, it's texturized right there, so it's not going to fall out. You've got the 5-blade cartridge with the white hydration strip. So yeah, recommend, really good shave it was. And my personal favourite bit of the starter pack is this. It's just the I don't know what you call it, travel protector. So it just goes like that, clips in, boom, covers it. And then you get shaving gel, Harry's own with aloe. And there's the case that the razor comes in. And you just get some notes, welcome notes, hello, how to shave, how to remove the razors. And this is the starter pack. This is what it comes in. So, if you want this, you can go in the description right now and you click the link and you can get this for £3.95, just £3.95. But because Harry's are so generous, they're throwing in a free shower gel just like this for free. Free. So £3.95 in the link below, www.harrys.com/Liam. You can get this set. So shout out to Harry's. But I just want to say, I had a lot of bullet points I could have used in this video, but the one that really stood out to me is 1% of global sales for Harry's goes to non-profit organisations and help with men who need mental care, etc. So yeah, I like that. That really stood out to me. So if you're looking for a razor and you want to try something else, I do recommend, trust me. Anyway, Harry's, thank you, and let's get back to the video. Have a look at this place. Lulworth Cove. That's a better view. I think we have to go up that track all the way up there. That's the next one anyway. What a place this is. Couple of steps this way. Let's go on a little jog. I'm dry already. Fuck. Time is it? 7:30 in the morning. What a way to start the morning. Lulworth Cove. That sun is so bright you won't even be able to see that. But yeah. What a place. Woohoo! Do not climb cliffs. Ah, great. You're not allowed to what? You're not allowed to use drones here as well. Why? Wow, wow, wow. So I'll put a picture on the screen right now of a picture I took like 5 years ago. Have a look at this place. I don't want to back up just in case I fall. But yeah. Wow. What a spot. Oh, shit all over me. Take a look. So that is Durdle Door. It's like famous. Look at that beach as well. You can get down it, I think, like that way, but I've already been for a swim. Right, head up that way. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna end the video right here then. What a spot to end it in. Glad I come back to this place, even though I paid like £5 parking, but it was worth it. Yeah, Lulworth Cove, and then you've got Durdle Door, so if you haven't been, I recommend it, it's good. Decent views. Anyway, if you enjoy this kind of style of video, it's not really van life, you know, it's more exploring, like yeah, travel kind of vlog. But yeah, if you enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe, lots more content, and I'll probably announce it now. I'm gonna basically go home, well, to my parents straight after this, and get everything ready for Europe. Hopefully in like a couple of weeks I'll be going into France, and then yeah, so I want the sun, and it's September the one second September the 8th now, and yeah, the weather's starting to get a bit cooler, the nights are getting darker earlier, so yeah, hopefully Europe within 2 or 3 weeks. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And Instagram will be on the screen right now, and I'll see you in the next video.